The Northrop Grumman X-47B UCAV is a groundbreaking unmanned combat aerial vehicle that represents a major leap forward in the future of military aviation. Developed for the United States Navy, the X-47B was designed to demonstrate the ability of an autonomous aircraft to take off, land, and operate from an aircraft carrier, a feat that had never been achieved before its introduction. Its sleek, tailless, flying wing design not only gives it a futuristic appearance but also enhances its stealth capabilities, making it difficult to detect on radar. First flown in 2011, the X-47B quickly captured attention with its advanced autonomous systems and ability to conduct high-precision operations without a human pilot on board. It has a wingspan of over 62 feet and is powered by a single jet engine, allowing it to achieve speeds close to Mach 0.9. With an operational range of more than 3,200 kilometers, it can perform long-duration missions, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike roles, with minimal human intervention. One of the most remarkable milestones of the X-47B was its successful autonomous carrier landings and aerial refueling trials, proving that unmanned aircraft can seamlessly integrate into naval air operations. It can carry a weapons payload of up to 4,500 pounds, including precision-guided bombs and missiles, showcasing its potential as a formidable strike platform in future conflicts. Although the X-47B program was eventually transitioned into research and technology development rather than mass production, its legacy continues to influence the design of next-generation unmanned aircraft. For aviation enthusiasts and military analysts, the X-47B stands as a symbol of innovation in the evolving role of drones in modern warfare, paving the way for future carrier-based unmanned combat systems.